The future of manufacturing is rapidly evolving, driven by the integration of AI-powered humanoid robots in factory environments. At the forefront of this revolution is Boston Dynamics' Atlas robot, now a fully electric commercial humanoid designed for industrial tasks. Hyundai's acquisition of Boston Dynamics in 2021 marked a significant shift, transforming Atlas from a research platform into a practical solution for industry. The new electric Atlas, unveiled in April 2024, stands 1.5 meters tall and weighs 89 kilograms, capable of lifting 11 kilograms per arm. It features 28 hydraulic-free actuators powered by custom electric motors, integrating an Nvidia or an AI computer for real-time vision and motion planning. At Hyundai's Metaplan America facility in Georgia, Atlas demonstrates its capabilities by picking and sorting roof racks at human speeds. This facility, opened in April 2025, will produce 300,000 Genesis EVs annually, showcasing the scale of Hyundai's investment in advanced manufacturing. Training for Atlas occurs at Boston Dynamics headquarters, utilizing VR teleoperation and motion capture suits for precise skill development. Nvidia Isaac Sim plays a crucial role, allowing reinforcement learning and simulations millions of times faster than reality. Skills like parkour, jumping jacks, and object manipulation are learned and then shared fleet-wide via cloud sharing, accelerating robot development. Despite its athletic prowess, Atlas currently struggles with fine human tasks such as buttoning a shirt or cooking, lacking common sense. The path forward involves goal-conditioned policies and multimodal sensor fusion, integrating LiDAR, stereo cameras, and force sensors. Ultimately, the vision is for natural language interfaces, allowing humans to instruct robots with simple commands like pick up the red box. Boston Dynamics' quadruped robot, Spot, has already proven its value in hazardous environments, performing inspections in oil rigs and nuclear plants. Atlas scales this potential to superhuman levels, with a goal of 3 times human lift capacity, transforming industrial capabilities. CEO Robert Plater emphasizes safety and job augmentation, aiming for robots to work alongside humans rather than replacing them. Pilot deployments in Hyundai factories are expected between 2025 and 2026, with scaled production anticipated by 2027 and beyond. The global humanoid market is projected to reach $38 billion by 2035, driven by labor shortages and the need for increased productivity. Hyundai's significant investment underscores a vision where robots become integral co-workers, transforming factories into collaborative, 24/7 ecosystems. This future promises to boost productivity by 40 to 50%, redefining the landscape of industrial manufacturing.